Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Special but great. Àwọn bàbá mi àtàwọn màmá mi tó wà níwájú yìí. Mo sọ nípa àwọn tí a bá lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ eré orí ìtàgé tó máa ń wo àwọn tá a máa ń ṣe yẹn. Àwọn olóyè dáadáa wípé ohun tí wòlíì àgbà ń ṣe kì í ṣe nípa professionalism. It is inspirational. Most of the time, wọ́n máa ń sọ sí mi létí mi. Màá gbọ́ ẹ lọ ṣe nǹkan báyìí, ṣe báyìí, ṣe báyìí, ṣe báyìí. And it's been God. And he came to me and told me, now I want you to do a movie. I said, what's the title? He said, that particular skit you shot. Money, I don't have a storyline for it. He said, don't worry, I'll keep the storyline. Nígbà tí mo sọ story fún àwọn ọmọ yìí. Then he came to me the next day and said, boss, I don't know. I said, no, mind you, that can you come and say, wait, Ọlọ́run àdùtù ni ẹ́. So now we just got 100 copies. Last song. Wà ló sanwó ní òòlè lásìkò ìmọ̀ kí ló kún ẹ̀. 100 copies péré ni mo ṣe. Tó bá yá àwọn fọn sọ́jà wà á ríra lọ́dẹ àfihàn 100 copies yìí wọ́n ti ta ọ̀rọ̀ lójú Jerusalem sí. Ṣé wọ́n pe JP ní rírọ̀ ẹ̀? Mo kúnlẹ̀ tì báyìí. Orí ẹ̀bùn àfọ́lì ayé òní ìbájà pẹ̀sọ̀. Sọ́dí o, láti tó bọ́ sí ni mo fẹ́ pawó pẹ̀lú yéèdì. Láti tó bọ́ sí ni wọ́n mi ní owó láìjẹ́ ẹgbẹ́.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we move on with the luncheon, I would like to please put your hands together for the wife of our father in the house. Please put your hands together for the yard dog in the building.
Ẹ máa ń gbàgbé pé wọ́n ti mú wọ
kí lè ní wọ̀?
Tí bá ti wọ wọ́n ìgbà máa ń lé yóò dànù ní ẹ ti ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa látara ẹ má jẹ́ kí lè yé dànù
ẹ má jẹ́ kí bàbá
ẹ ṣe onígbà ẹ̀ torí tí a kò tún wà ẹ̀mọ́ mọ́ ti lọ́wọ́ you know by the grace of God I don't know I have been motivated by the likes of my daddy Miwa Dimola. They showed me, he held my hands and said, what you are doing. He said, nobody cracks me actually. But when we're paying attention, he said, oh, God, I'm not doing it. Yeah, we're good to do it. Oh, it's a good do. Olúwa ló fẹ́ pa ẹ́ lẹ́rìn ló jẹ́ ká wá rí ìwé ẹ̀dọ́. Oyè Olúwa fẹ́ pa ọ́ lẹ́rìn táàgì ló jẹ́ ká rí gbọ́. Ìgbà bá a ṣe lásìkò yìí, ìgbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ ń pọ̀ ní láti Jerusalem, àwọn ẹni tí pariwo, dẹ́kì, tí nẹ́sìkì tí máa ń gbáàdì gan, orí mi kò sí ìkan lórí orí mi empty. Boy tí wọ́n ti mi ní airport, mo lè gbé báyìí, ó ní wò ní àdánwò tí your Netflix go bad, ó ní alákòóbá, ní ìlú ṣí dání lórí, and they just told me, ó kàn dọ́rọ̀ ìrẹ̀lẹ̀, ó yá dìde báyìí, ẹ lọ shoot skit, wà á sọ fún Délé pé kó fò mọ́ ikú òṣùbù, dáadé, òyòyò, dáadé, òyòyò, dáadé, òyòyò, dáadé. Ó ní ìkọ̀tẹ́ máa ṣe nìyẹn. Bó ṣe ní Good Friday náà, mo lọ sí ìfẹ́ plan. Mo bá rí aṣọ some people tán bí Jésù tán lọ. I just add the word. Oh yeah, we need to go and do Jesus. I said, àwọn èèyàn wọ́n tẹ́kọ̀ àbí Jésù ṣe ẹ̀yẹ. He said, I said, go and do Jesus. You do the Jesus, àwọn ọmọ yẹn á do it. And that's all. When we got to the place, okay, I didn't talk about it. But I got a program on Friday night. Dele told me, he said, boss, I just a coloring Jesus now for Good Friday. I said, oh, confirmation. And the next thing I told him, I said, Saturday morning we'll do it. But he didn't tell me, my God, and you don't want that, and you don't want that, I will. I got it. And you don't want that, show my way, bí a ṣe dé báyìí, tábìlì tí ní ṣe, mo ti wọṣọ, àwọn ẹ̀ tí ń kó bomi láì. Lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí àwọn ìwé, ìjẹ́kùn ní ìlú bá kan pé àwọn ọmọ ń lù mí báyìí. Mo bá wọ̀ pé, mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ, mo ní, why not this way? Let me wear my white, let somebody else kó wọṣọ, Jésù yẹn, kí wọ́n máa sàn. Ó bá lẹ́rìn-ín, ó bá òkè báyìí. Mo bá bọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ wájú bẹ́ẹ̀ bí a ṣe bá wọṣọ. I just add the word again. He said, I said, do Jesus. Let them beat you. Bá ní lọ, wọ́n yẹ ṣe, bá ti kú ọ padà. Ìjẹ́ èèyàn kan ẹja bẹ̀rẹ̀. So ẹja gbà. Wáyé! Ní sùúrù ìyá gbà náà. Orúkọ Jésù ẹgbẹ́ ṣe dé. And that was how we did the skit and like that. You know, it's not easy to combine 1 minute. 1 minute pẹ̀lẹ́ ni o. Olùdájọ́ wà dáadáa ẹ̀kọ́ pọ̀ ní 1 minute lọ. It's just, I'll be daddy, young Jade is here. I come back, I want to collect my time of JV. And till date, it's still relevant. Daddy should have, hey, comment to white house. Let them comment. As a wife, hey, comment, we are, I don't know. My wife, thank you so very much, sir. I love you. Please put your together for my daddy. I love you, sir. Thank you so much. He's so handsome. When will you be ugly? You will not be ugly in Jesus' name. Or daddy, I shall back you. Or daddy, I shall back you. And I want to celebrate you, sir. My father, he held my hand, sir. Those words you said to my ears will take him along the road, no sin. Baba, Mr. Odadekola called me on Thursday, and he said, I know you did not put my picture because you feel I won't come. Only but I want to surprise you, I want to come. He said, but you got to watch the and he said something. He said, you got to say, yeah. Àwọn kan mọ̀ wípé kì í ṣe wípé owó dùn ló jẹ́ kó o máa ṣe o. Olúwa kan mọ̀ ọmọ kan fún ẹni. Níbikíbi tó o bá wà, tó o bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi náà wọ́n sí mi kò ní inspiration yóò lè kú. Ẹ tún sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i. Yóò jẹ́ ní disappoint ẹ̀. Torí tó bá rí mi ní títì máa ra bọ̀dọ̀ fún ẹ. Yóò ní ìgbéraga máa wọ̀ ní mo block Ọlọ́run wá dán. Ọlọ́run. Without what to do, people of God, 100 copies. I don't think what not you do. They need to buy your shit. You come more. Check what that's a winning vision. 100 copies. Okay, you're not 100. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Please put your hands together for the prophet. Right now, we want to support this ministry. We're not taking this to another. When I'm talking, you have to be free. Be humble. I'm humble. I would like to call on our uncle in the house to please be the first to launch this for us. But on behalf of Dr. Smile and his family, I will be the first to launch this. Before I leave there, I'll do it. Can I have my phone, please? I'll do it right now.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.